Look, this destruction of the natural orange groves continues to this day. Look at that. Oh, this used to be filled with orange trees. Back in the days, many what you see now, houses and all that, stores, used to be filled with orange trees. The destruction continues. The destruction continues. Look at that. All this filled with orange groves, they're taking that out to build houses and all that bullshit. Way over there. Here in California, they're like destroying nature. Whatever open land there is, they're making them houses, warehouses, stores, and all that, which is good. I mean, it brings money to the economy, but it also destroys what is like naturally here, So it's like how you say it? One of those not a hit and miss, but it's like the pros and cons of that, Good things that creating jobs and money circulating over here, and bad things that destroying the nature. And nature is what we need, give us oxygen, life, and all that. Yeah, Jason Sands, baby.